Hi everyone, so my name is Mogau, the Lazy Makoti, and today we are going to make Amagwinya two ways. A sweet version and a savory version, but they're both delicious. In here is my flour, and to this, I'm of course going to add my yeast. It's about 10 grams, 2 teaspoons of sugar, some salt. And then to this, I will add my warm water. We're gonna mix. So you're just gonna knead this, and then once we're done, we're gonna cover this and put it somewhere warm so that it can rise and that yeast can get to work. We're gonna do 2 different sizes, the big one for the savory and a little tiny one for the sweet. And I'm gonna start with the big ones. Now we wait for them to brown. So now we're making our savory filling. It's a sweet corn and cheese filling.
Delicious.
And then to this, we are gonna add a bit of chili, my cheese. You want that to melt nice and gooey. And then I'm missing something.
Some of those delicious coriander.
Yes, please. Give me some of that.
That is looking incredible.
Thank you.
Smells amazing.
So we're basically just melting the cheese. All of this will go inside our Amagwinya.
It's gonna go crazy.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
How pretty.
Cheese and onion. Classic combo.
Yeah. In goes my little ones. This is going to be for our sweet version of the Amagwinya. In goes the cinnamon and then the sweetness. Just going to drizzle my honey and cinnamon over the plums. My Amagwinya are done. I am going to spoon this beautiful chocolate mousse, my plums. Crunchy.
That is a perfect crunch. And it's so good with that chocolate mousse.